Good morning, children. This is English video session for class 6. We are dealing with the book A Pact with the Sun. This is a supplementary reader that is suggested for class 6. We are dealing the topic The Friendly Mongoose. Yesterday, I asked you to write the words 5 times. The words are believed, companion, tiny, fully grown, baby mongoose. Did you do that, children? Yes. Now, the farmer, I think did you read the entire story and come? Where is this story from? It is a story from Panchatantra. Yes, you are right. It is from Panchatantra. Okay. It is there in all the languages. Because the meaning it is giving is too good. That is why it is there in all the languages. Okay. Now, shall we go to the other places? So, when I am saying, you have to repeat accordingly. And you also have to keep the notebook next to you so that you can write what all I am saying. Okay. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. A lovely animal with 2 shining eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. Yes, children, did you get the point? Yes. Now, underline the words which I say. Grew. Both. Underline grew. Shining, bushy tail, cradle, alternately. Now, let us get into these words. What is this both? Both is baby. Anything which are 2 is called both. B-O-T-H, both. Grow, growing, grew. There are 3 forms. You have grow, growing, and then you have grew. Please come. It is bushy tail. Bushy tail means the tail which is bushy tail means the one which is so bushy. Okay. Now, alternately means with this add this again continuing with this one after the other. You do something, no? That is called alternately. You do one after the other, one after the other, one after the other. You call it alternately. Okay. Shining is which is a glow. Glowing is called shining. Okay. So what are all the words? Both grew, bushy tail, okay, cradle, alternately. Fine. These 5 words we have to write it 5 times. Now let us write the spelling. B-O-T-H, both. 1, 2. Grew. What is grew? Grow, you know how it's growing. Grow. Growing is ing form verb. Grew is what? Past tense. Okay. Over. We grew. Shining. Okay. Shining. Bushy tail. S-H-I-N-I-N-G. S-H-I-N-I-N-G. Shining. Bushy tail. B-U-S-H-Y space T-A-I-L. Bushy tail. Okay. Now cradle. Cradle, the place where the baby sleeps is the cradle. Okay. What is the spelling? C-R-A-D-L-E. C-R-A-D-L-E. See the picture? Did you see the picture in the previous? You can see the child sleeping. The previous page? Yes. Cradle. Alternately. A-L-T-E-R-N-A-T-E-L-E. Alternately. Alternately means what? One after the other. It is repeating only one thing. Sleeping, crying. Okay, it is sleeping, it is crying. Is that clear to you? Okay. Yes. Now, one day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. Where did she want to go? She wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, "I'm off to the bazaar." Where? "I'm off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him." Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. I don't like to leave the child with the mongoose. What is the sentence say? Think. One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. Yes, did you understand the sentence? She's going to the market to buy vegetables, groceries. Your mother goes? Yes. Everybody we have to go to the market to buy grocery, clothing, shoes, etc. Yes. She fed the baby and rocked him. What is rocking? Moved the cradle here and there. It is called rocking. R-O-C-K-E-D. Rocked. So when she rocked, what happened? The child slept. Clear? Picking up the basket. Picking means what? Taking up the basket. Picking up the basket. What did she do? She said to her husband, "I'm off to the bazaar." Where is she going? "I'm off to the bazaar." Yes, I'm off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. What is the baby doing? Sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Keep an eye on him means take care of him. Clear? Not taking an eye and keeping. It's an idiom. Keep an eye. What is the meaning of keep an eye? It's an idiom. Clear? You have to take care. It's called keep an eye. Okay? Keep an eye on him. Frankly. Frankly means what? Really. Purely. Really. I don't believe the child. I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. I don't. Look at the sentence. I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. What is the nature shown here? Disbelief. D-I-S-B-E-L-I-F. You don't have belief. Okay, that is called disbelief. Clear, children? What is the attitude shown? Disbelief. Okay? I stop with this. Now, all of you write what all I say. Write the words grew. All these things 5 times. Okay? Grew. Both. Shining. Bushy tail. Cradle. Alternately. Okay? Yes. Now next paragraph. Rocked. Picking. Picking means what? Taking. Yeah. Keep an eye. What is keep an eye? Not taking and removing it. To take care. Write keep an eye together. Leave space. Keep space and space eye. You write it 5 times. No problem. Okay? I stop here. Can you write all these words 5 times? Read it. You have to read it aloud. When you were doing your Viva, I saw most of you are not able to speak at all. Reason you don't read. Reading, not keeping your mouth shut. You have to open your mouth and read. Okay, will you read it? Yes. Take care. I stop with this. Read from the beginning till this as well as the remaining loudly. At least for 1 hour you have to read every day. I am telling, but you have to listen. And you won't be able to improve if you don't follow the instructions. And writing, will you write all these words which I tell you? Okay. Thank you. I stop here, children. Thank you.